In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Samsung Soundbar to your computer, Mac or PC. This way you'll be able to stream your music, your movies, sound directly to your soundbar using the Bluetooth. So let's get started. First step is to obviously take your Samsung remote control for your soundbar and turn on the soundbar. Then you're going to press the pair button, this button right over here, you see, Bluetooth pair. Press it once, you don't have to keep it hold. Okay, great. Now the soundbar is in Bluetooth pairing. Go on your computer. Now this is a Windows 11 laptop, but if you have a Mac, usually you're going to see the Bluetooth logo on the top right corner. On this Windows computer, I need to go right down below. Click on this. You're going to see the Bluetooth logo. Click on it. This window will open. Make sure that Bluetooth is obviously turned on and then click on Add Device. Then in this menu, you're simply going to click on Bluetooth, the first option. Wait a few seconds and your soundbar will appear. You see Samsung Soundbar C4 series. Click on it. It will say connecting. It will take a few seconds and then you will see connected audio. Perfect. You can press the done button. And you see over here you have a green button, dot. It simply means that it's now connected. Go ahead, play any music, any movies, and you'll hear it through your soundbar. Now, if you want to disconnect the soundbar because you prefer using your computer speakers instead, or maybe other speakers or your headphones, you're going to go down here. On your Mac, it's on the top right corner. Click on the sound option. And here on the top, you're going to see the Bluetooth icon with a small arrow. Click on it. You're going to see your Bluetooth soundbar. Click on it again and then select disconnect. This way the sound will come out of the speakers of your computer instead. So this is it. This is how you connect your Samsung soundbar to your computer using the Bluetooth. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below. See you in the next one.